Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. Today our group will present about the understanding heat transfer about conduction, convection and radiation on simple home experiments. Our group consists 2 members, and first one is Muhammad Shazwan bin Yusri AD 210029 and second one is Muhammad Shafiq bin Muhammad Zaidi AD 210063. Okay, so for this video, we will demonstrate the 3 main modes of heat transfer, that is conduction, convection and radiation. We will use simple everyday items to show how each process works. Let's get started. Okay, first experiment we want talking about conduction. So the apparatus is first metal spoon, cup of hot water and hand. So the procedure, first pour hot water into a cup. Second, place a metal spoon inside. And then the last one is after 30 to 60 seconds, touch the exposed end carefully. So this is the video that how experiment was done. Okay, now I will explain how conduction works. Conduction is the transfer of heat through solids from high to low temperature areas without movement of the material itself. So, heat from the water travel through the metal spoon to your fingers. This shows how thermal energy moves through solids. So, in conclusion, metal is a good conductor. Heat travel through the solid spoon from hot to cold end. So for the second experiment, we are doing convection. So for the apparatus, first is a pot with water, second stove, and maybe optional food coloring if you want to put it. So the procedure is first fill a pot with water and heat it on a stove. Second, observe bubbles and water in movement. And last one, if you want to add food coloring to show circulation. So this is the video that how experiment was done. So for this convection is the transfer of heat through fluids like water or air by the movement of the fluid itself. As water heat up at the bottom, it becomes less dense and rises. Cooler water sinks. This set up a convection current. So for the third experiment is radiation. So we use a lighter or we can also use candle. So for the next one is hand. So procedure is first light the flame. Second one, hold your hand near but not over the flame. The last one is we must feel the heat. So this is the video that how experiment was done. Okay, so for the last experiment, radiation is the transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves like infrared without needing a medium. You feel warmth without touching the flame or the hot air. That radiation. Heat travels through space directly. So, I want to conclude that we have shown 3 types of heat transfers, that is conduction, through solids, convection, through fluids, radiation, through electromagnetic waves.